this is the DIY Magician, back for another adventure with spring snakes. Thanks again for joining me on this fun adventure through spring snakes. That's right. Got another one right here. This one, again, is a mystery. I bought a bunch of them all at once. I had them shipped in, and they all came, three of them came in these little square boxes like this, which is pretty cool. My guess is it's probably boxed for a mug or something like that. Anyways, we get to look inside. All right, so now we have these. These are the I think the pellets that if you I'm not going to do it. I don't know where these have been. They dissolve in water. Maybe that's another video. But anyways, we've got some there, and of course I've been opening the bottom, so that's okay. So here we go. This one. I know what this one is, just based on the color. This one is pretty cool, and again, I've been working on trying to find the ones that I've never seen before. I did a lot of my own props when I was building stuff. There is a, looks like a thank you advertisement for the person I bought it from. That's okay. This one is a little plastic vase, okay? I'm gonna get my glasses on. And I'm going to read, it is made in Hong Kong, okay? And again, it's a plastic vase. It's very ornate. There's a lot of writing on it. I'm going to take the lid and pry it up. Yep, it's a pry up lid. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That was kind of a wah-wah. Let's try it again. Maybe I didn't do it right. Let's try it again. It's got to work. It's got to work. Okay, here we go. 1. I'm just gonna let the cap go too. 1, 2, 3. Hup. Well, it's still a spring snake prop, and I'm still gonna learn from it. What I have learned is it has kind of a plastic, almost like, what would the, what is it? It's almost like a tablecloth material. It's a plastic. It's cool. It's got this little deal here, and I'm guessing that was probably a squeaker that would go in there. I might be able to replace it. I would imagine that was probably what would happen is it would come out and go woo, or what have you. So I'm going to try it here like this, and we're going to try to give it one last shot without the lid. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, it worked. All right. Awesome. Okay, so inside is a liner. Because you've got this decorative shape here, there's actually a liner inside. So that's a good idea. I'm not sure what they used, but it looks like they probably glued it in. The snake itself, like I said, is that it's like a tablecloth you'd have from the. I was raised in the 70s, born in the 60s, raised in the 70s. I'm old, and it's that same kind of vinyl tablecloth that you'd get from Pick and Save. You probably know it as. Big Lots. Yeah, it's okay. Anyways, so there it is. A plastic vase with a plastic coated spring. Lots of fun. But again, lots of fun is right here. I'm going to give you the pitch again. This is Spring Snake Pandemonium Volume 1. It is a book for entertainers and those of you who like to have fun with spring snakes.